Hey everybody, Frank here, Godzilla Island for the Mazer Squad with an unboxing, and today we have some more Funkos, and this is going to be the Gamestop exclusive for Mecha-King Ghidorah. Let's see, this is one of the big boys, so let's see how big this figure is. Alright, it looks like it's like one of my OG Godzilla figures. Oh, kind of chunky too. Look at that. Gamestop exclusive. This is surprisingly heavy. Really cool box art. Take a look at what the figure looks like. Let's see, can I get this out of here carefully? The box is even a little heavier than your standard Funko box too. Let me try to wrestle this open here. That's right. This is one of the first Funkos I'm popping open here. Usually I've kept them in the box. This one I really want to see in all its glory here. That was a little loud. Wow, this is heavy. Very heavy. But really damn good looking figure. Wow. No articulation, of course. But a great looking Funko Pop. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments of this figure. Plan on picking up any other ones. Do you want any other Funko figures come out? We got Gigan, Mecha-Godzilla. We got a Mothra variant. We still haven't got like a straight up Mothra yet. The only one that we have is in that like movie poster edition, which does go for a pretty chunk, and it's considered like 2 figures. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching.